Hi dear learners, I am teacher Michelle and welcome to our classroom, and our lesson is all about multiplication of integers. For today's lesson, you're going to learn about multiplication of integers and how you will use it to solve daily problems. Did you answer the pre-test above? If not, please answer it before we proceed. Before we begin, let's have a quick recap about the parts of the multiplication. Look at the numbers. The first number, or the number that is being multiplied by another number, is called the multiplicand. The second number, or the number that multiplies the multiplicand, is the multiplier. These two numbers are called factors, and the answer is what we call the product or the multiple. Now, let's analyze the problem here. An ALS facilitator is planning to organize ALS classes in all the barangays of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. She is planning to organize 2 classes each in all 9 barangays. How many classes does she have to organize? Now, let's get the numbers on the problem. 9 is the total number of barangay in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, and we will multiply 9 by 2, that is the total number of classes the ALS facilitator is planning. And the answer is 18. 18 classes shall be organized in all the 9 barangays of San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Using the numbers for our examples, let's multiply it step by step. Positive 9 times positive 2 is equal to positive 20. Negative 9 times negative 2 is equal to positive 20. Our step 1 is we need to multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. Our multiplicand here is positive 9, and we will multiply it by our multiplier, which is positive 2. Our answer is positive 18. Our step 2 is prefix the positive sign if the integers have the same sign. Positive 9 times positive 2 is equal to positive 18. Negative 9 times negative 2 is equal to positive 18 rather. Why? Why we have positive even if we multiply negative 9 times negative 2? Simply because they have the same sign. That's the rule on the multiplication of integers. If we have same sign, the answer is positive. Is negative 9 times negative 2 is same sign? Yes, that's why our answer is positive 18. Positive, positive, positive. Negative, negative, positive. For more clear explanation, we have here the rules on multiplying integers with same sign. It shows here that same sign is equal to positive. When we multiply positive to positive, our product is positive. If we multiply negative times negative, our product is still positive because they have the same sign. That's why they are positive. Let's have some more examples. Positive 6 times positive 5 is equal to positive 30. Of course, because they have both sign that is positive. Letter B is negative 6 times negative 5. What will be our answer? Correct. Positive 30. Why? because we have negative 6 and negative 5. They both have negative sign. That's why we will using positive as our sign on our product, because same sign is equal to positive. Even if it's positive times positive, it is still positive. Yan. Here's our rule. Step 1, multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. That's what we did earlier. Yan, wait lang. This is our multiplicand. We will multiply 6 by our multiplier, which is 5. And our answer is 30. Step 2, prefix the positive sign. We will only prefix or ilalagay natin sa harapan yung positive sign if yung integers have the same sign. Like this. Positive 6 times positive 5. Our answer will be positive 30 because they have sign. They have same sign. Next is negative 6 times negative 5. Our answer is positive 30 because they have same sign, which is negative. Negative 6, negative 5. Our answer is positive 30. Same sign, we will just prefix the positive sign. Now, I want you to answer the following. I want you to multiply the following and follow the steps like what we did earlier. Here, I will give you 10 seconds to answer that. Ready or not? Here we go. Time's up. Now, what will be our answer on positive 3 times positive 8? Of course, that is positive 18. Negative 3 times negative 8, what will be our answer? Positive 18. Bakit kaya positive 18? Because we have negative 3 and negative 8. Same ba sila ng sign? Opo, same sila. Kaya po ang answer natin ay positive 18. Next, step 1. Ano nga ba yung step 1 natin? We will multiply this to this. We will multiply 3, the multiplicand, to the multiplier, which is 8. 18. Our answer is 18. Step 2. We will prefix positive sign if we have same sign. Like this. Positive 3 and positive 8. So our answer is positive 18. Negative 3 times negative 8. Our answer will be positive 18. Always remember our first rule. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. That is our first rule. Same sign, positive. Always remember that. Okay? Now, let's multiply integers with different signs. I want you to study these examples. I will give you 10 seconds again to study these examples. Are you ready? Okay, ready or not, I will count now 1 to 10. times up. What do you notice on these examples? Positive 5. We have, let's use this pen. Positive 5 times negative 4. Our answer is negative 20. Di ba kayo nagtataka kung bakit negative 20? Okay. Let's see the other example. Negative 5 times positive 4. Our answer is negative 20 again. Bakit kaya? Dito na papasok ang ating second rule on multiplying integers. If we have different signs like this, positive 5 at saka negative 4, the answer is negative because our second rule is if we have different sign, if we multiply different sign, our answer is negative. We multiply negative 5 by positive 4, our answer is negative 20 because they have different sign. That's our rule number 2. If we have different sign, our answer will be negative. Nag-gets po ba? Tatagalugin natin. Pagka negative o negative yung isa at positive yung isa, ang sagot natin lagi sa multiplication ay negative. Pagka negative, times sa positive, ang sagot natin ay negative. Basta na iiba yung isang sign, hindi sila magkapareho, ang ating sagot ay palaging negative. Yan, mas maliwanag na po ha. Yan. So ngayon naman, I have here a clear explanation about our second rule on multiplying integers. Here it is. Rule on multiplying integers with different sign. Different sign, ibig sabihin magkaiba po. Magkaiba po yung sign. Ayun naman po ang ating rule ngayon na number 2. If we multiply different sign, our answer or our product will be negative. So, ito po, yung illustration. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Kagaya po na example natin kanina. Magbibigay po ako ngayon ng example. Positive 5 times negative 2. Our answer is negative 10. Because the multiplicand is positive and the multiplier is negative. That's why we have negative sign because they have different sign. Ito po po isa. Negative times positive is equal to negative. Basta po may naiiba na sign, hindi sila pareho. Positive yung isa, negative yung isa, o negative yung isa at positive yung isa, our answer or our product will always have negative sign. Gets po ba? That's our second rule on multiplying integers. Different sign, negative. Okay? Okay. Now, let's do it step by step. A is positive 5 times negative 4. Our answer will be negative 20. Negative 5 times positive 4. Our answer will be negative 20. Oh, let's do it step by step. Our step 1 is always multiply the multiplicand by the multiplier. Our multiplicand is positive 5. On the letter A ha. Dito po tayo titingin sa letter A. Tuturo ko. Ito po, letter A. Dito po muna tayo tumingin. Okay? Our step 1 is multiply the multiplicand. Here is our multiplicand. And here is our multiplier. Multiply them both. Our answer is negative 20. Why negative 20? Because we have different sign which is positive, yung 5, at ito naman ay negative. That's why our answer is negative 20. Ayan po, step by step din po natin sa letter B. Negative 5 times negative 4, times natin si multiplicand by multiplier, and our answer is negative 20. Negative because they have different sign. Prefix the negative sign if the integers have different signs. Ayun po yung step 2 natin ha. Ilalagay daw natin sa unahan si negative sign pag meron siyang different sign. Different. Yung isa negative, yung isa positive. Kaya ang sagot natin ay negative 20. Remember, always remember the rules on multiplying integers. Huwag pong malilito. Same sign is equal to positive. Yan po. Mas madali pong makita. Pag positive daw po, yung isa at positive yung isa, ang product natin ay positive. Yan po, katulad nito. Same sign, positive. Huwag po natin kakalimutan yung first rule. Same sign, positive. Magkapareho yung sign, positive. Next. Our second rule. Different sign, negative. Ito po yung illustration. Malungkot siya kasi negative. Kasi nga, positive yung isa, negative yung isa, our answer will be negative. Negative yung isa, mamultiply natin kay positive, ang answer natin ay dapat negative. Always remember, huwag natin kakalimutan ang dalawang rule. Positive times positive is equal to positive. Negative times negative is equal to positive. Same sign, positive. Kaya sa second rule naman natin ay different sign, negative. Positive times negative is equal to negative. Negative times positive is equal to negative. Pag magkaiba ang sign, negative. Pagka magkapareho, positive. Always remember that. Huwag pong malilito. Dalawa lang po ang ating rules. Balikan nyo lang po yung rules natin. Okay, now, I want you to answer this. Read the direction first. Answer the multiplying integers maze. I want you to answer these questions 1 to 14. And later on, I will show you the maze, which is on the second slide after this. And when you answer this, you will just put your answers on the multiplying integers maze to complete it. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this. Go. now, here's the multiplying integers maze. Yung sagot nyo po kanina, doon sa 1 to 14, ilalagay nyo lang po siya dito. Ilalapat nyo lang siya dito. Dito po si start. At dito naman po yung end. Hahanapin nyo lang po yung sagot nyo doon sa una po nyong sinagutan, tapos ilalagay nyo siya dito. Kung negative 14 po yung unang sagot, isusulat nyo po dito kung sa number 2 ba siya na equation, and so on and so forth. Kung dito po si number 3, kung dito po ba si number 4, hanggang 14, hanggang makarating po kayo dito sa end. Pwede pong ganito po yung way nyo, pag ganyan. Pero dapat po, sasakto siya dun sa mga sinagutan nyo kanina. Okay po? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 10 para inapat po yung sagot. Yan. Kung hindi pa rin po tapos, pwede pong ipagpatuloy pa. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng another 10 seconds. Okay? Okay. Let's show the answers. The answer is this. Mag-start po tayo doon. Start number 1 hanggang sa end. Okay? Okay, now let's value what we have learned today. Why is it important to know the multiplication of integers? Pwede po kayong sumagot at i-record at isend nyo po sa amin, sa mga teachers nyo po. Next question. How can we use the multiplication of integers in solving daily problems? Yan. Don't forget to answer LS3 Mathematics and Problem Solving Multiplication of Integers post-test. Makikita nyo po yun sa baba. Dito lang din po sa Edmodo. Don't forget po na answeran ang ating post-test. Kanina po, nagsagot tayo ng pre-test before our lesson. And now, after the lesson, we will answer the post-test. Here's for your assignment. I want you to practice answering word problem involving multiplication of integers. Number 1. The football team lost 8 yards on every play for 5 plays. Which integer shows the total number of yards the team has lost? A. 40, B. Negative 40, C. 3, D. Negative 3. Number 2. A drought can cause the level of the local water supply to drop by a few inches each week. Suppose the level of the water supply drops 2 inches each week. How much will it change in 4 weeks? A. Negative 16 inches. B. Negative 8 inches. C. Negative 2 inches. Number 3. The temperature drops 2 degrees Fahrenheit each hour. What is the total change in temperature after 12 hours? A. Negative 24. B. 26. C. 24. D. Negative 26. Number 4. When multiplying integers with the same signs, the answer will be A. Positive, B. Negative, C. 0, D. Fraction. Last. Number 5. When multiplying integers with different signs, the answer will be A. Positive, B. Negative, C. 0, D. Fraction. Okay, thank you for answering this assignment. See you next time.